So it's 2018 and the power of the internet is growing every second. How can we harness it to put dollar bills in our back pocket? I've come up with 3 ways to make money online, but there obviously are multitudes of ways to do so. I've just picked my top 3. My first way is YouTube. Now this is obviously the avenue that I'm hoping to go down and be successful in. How do you make money in YouTube, you may ask? Well, the first way that everyone thinks of is YouTube ads. Companies pay you to advertise their products on your YouTube channel. Now you have to share this revenue with YouTube, of course, but depending on your daily views, you can earn a decent amount this way. But the ad way is what I call the rookie way of making money on YouTube. You're letting companies pay you to advertise to your viewers when you've already got a market out there for yourself to sell your own products to. Do you think your viewers will be more inclined to buy your product or another company's product? What you have to do is actually make a product or service that is niche towards the type of videos you are making. You can earn a lot more money this way compared to the amount you get from adverts, and this way is especially good for small YouTubers. One thing I want to add is that you must have a passion for the type of videos that you are making and enjoy creating them. You're not going to be successful on YouTube creating videos that you just aren't that into, and perhaps you're only making them because you've seen other people be successful with them. I absolutely love investing, and making these videos is a lot of fun for me, so I'm willing to put the work in to make it one day, and I absolutely love it. So the second way to make money online is to start a blog. Perhaps you're more into writing things down than making videos, which is perfectly fine, and a blog is a solid way to make money online. With blogs, make sure you've niched towards a particular sector, target your contents to the right audience, and have a good domain name to generate traffic to your site. Once you've got people reading your blog, then you can make products to sell to your audience. Sort of similar to YouTube, but you need that audience. How much money can you make? Well, that depends on your audience size and the percentage of them that buy your product. Let's say you've got a product that is $50 a month. Now, if your audience size is 10,000 and you've converted 10% to buy your product, that's $5,000 a month. That's $60,000 a year. And I'll tell you what, that's a lot above the median salary of the average American. Alright, my third way to make money online is selling products through Amazon. Now, with Amazon, the hardest thing is to find a product that you're going to sell and make a margin on. A good way of trying to find a product that you can make money with is by looking at Chinese merchandise and then seeing how much they sell for on Amazon. Once you've found a profitable product, you're in the go, and that's the hard part done. Now, just stick to selling high amounts of it. You just need one successful item to make money on Amazon, and then you can dominate the sales of that particular product from there on in. I'm interested, is there anyone out there making money through another online medium? Comment that in the section below if you are, or can you think of any better ways to make money online? Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We all could do with managing and investing our money that we do make a little better, and this channel will help you do so. Thanks guys, and have a great rest of the day.